Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Today's tutorial is about modeling a simple stairs in Blender 3.1. We're going to do a little bit of polygonal modeling, then we're going to use an array modifier. Let's get started. We need a box. In object mode, let's press Shift A, mesh, a cube. Now we're going to use the item transform tab, and we're going to size up our box to be 8 inches in height, and then we want x-axis to be 8 inches as well. Now we need to reset our scale back to 1. So let's press Ctrl A, apply scale, and now we can go to edit mode, and in edit mode we're going to add more edge loops. I'm going to use Ctrl R and cut horizontally. Now I'm going to move this edge loop with G, Z. I'm going to move it up 2 inches. And I'm going to now subdivide this vertically. Ctrl R. I'm going to turn my middle mouse button, make 2 loops, press enter. And now I'm going to select just 1 loop and press G, X, and move it on positive 0.67 of inch, and that makes that segment exactly 2 inches. All right, so now I'm going to repeat this in reverse. Select this edge loop, press G, press minus 0.67. Okay, this is our basic modeling, which is almost complete. So let's go to face mode and let's extrude this part. And we're going to do this with Alt E and then extrude faces along normal. And now press 2. That extrude this lip, but it's not straight on the sides. So what we need to do is we need to go into extrude region and then turn on offset even, and that completes the modeling portion of a single step. Now we can add an array modifier, and then we're going to choose 0.6 for X factor, and I'm going to choose -1 for Z, and we can now give it as many steps as we like. And the last thing we want to make sure of is that we are pressing the merge button. It removes this face that otherwise will be concealed and hidden between 2 steps. This concludes this demo of making a simple stairs in Blender. I hope you liked it. This is not the only way, but I hope it was quick and easy. We're at Digital Monkey School. Please don't forget to like us and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.